hand, and that side's a spoolie. Yes? What do you want? Rawr. Alright, I'm filming. Can you close the door?
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh.
Oh no, what happened?
No.
Oh, can you close it? You can't pull the door? Okay, show me. Show me how to shut that door. That girl's cute and she knows it. Hey y'all, it's me, Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a BoxyCharm. This is January 2018's BoxyCharm. Can you guys believe it's a new year? Oh my gosh. So, just cut her open. Let's see what we've got. Rock 2018. So there's a cute little card here. This is an ingredient list for one of the products. Okay, so says what we've got going on in here. Oh, it's focus. There we go. So first product right on top. Oh, this is cold because it was cold in the mailbox. So we got Rock 2018, Rock and Roll Soul. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products for this month. First product is a Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. It's nice, pretty packaging. So, this Luminizer Primer. So, full retail for this product is $38. Luminizer Primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. That sounds really, really nice. And I don't have any primers that are not Mary Kay. So this is my first non-Mary Kay primer. So that's exciting. Excited to try that out. Okay, so the little thing that came in the box was the ingredient list for the primer. So there's quite a bit of there's quite a bit in here. And so now Dr. Brandt is not cruelty free. So just keep that in mind if you do only cruelty free. So the primer has a slight tint to it, and once you start rubbing it in, as you can see, it spreads out pretty smoothly, blends in very, very nicely. And you can see how it has that illuminating factor on my hand. My hand does have a slight sheen to it, which is very nice. Okay, so you apply on clean, moisturized skin. You can use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin, hence the shiny. Or you could do it under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application. AM or PM. Is this Glam Metals by Crown. It's a neat packaging. This is an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. Okay, it's in, we slide it out. Oh, look at the back of that. That's cool. My husband plays guitar, so he might be appreciative of this. So this eyeshadow palette, Crown Pro Glam Metals palette, is $25. Rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eyes looks a breeze. That's exciting. Set that right there. Let's check these out. So next thing we got in here, this guy right here. Oh, is It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. So the It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil, it retails for $24. Developed with plastic surgeons, It Cosmetics' #1 best-selling, award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotin, lecithin, saw palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, and vitamins A, B5, C, and E, plus proprietary brow power technology to give you your most beautiful, natural-looking brows, even if you have none at all. Plus, its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polish perfection. This sounds amazing. Okay, let's check this guy out. Nice shiny packaging. So, you are beautiful. You are it. Oh, that's so sweet. Alright, so let's pull this guy out. It comes with paper instructions. There it goes. It did not want to come out, y'all. It's packaged. It's got like its own little cubby in there. Got stuck. So this looks really nice and fancy to me. Wow. Universal taupe. Brow power. Okay, so this is the working it. Okay, so you know what? This came with instructions. We're gonna open it. See what it says. So, softer strokes for blonde and silver, harder strokes for brown and black. Okay. I'm not even gonna try and fold that. Okay, so I do have brow product. I have my Mary Kay brow pencil in my brows, but I want to play with it, so let's see. Okay, so when you pull it out, it's like, let's see, let me just, let's come all the way out. See how, okay, so that's how much product you get. It's a pretty good amount. So I'm going to roll it back in there. I've got a little bit out. So let's see. I'm going to use this for church tomorrow. See how it works. I've already got product in my hair, in my eyebrows. I like how it has a built-in spoolie. That's fantastic. You guys, what do you guys think? This eyebrow is higher than this eyebrow, and it irritates me. But eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so... Okay, so I'm definitely going to be using this tomorrow. And seeing it without brow product already in my brows. Okay, so excited about this guy. So here are the shades that you could possibly get out of this brow pencil, from lightest to darkest, depending on how much pressure you put. Yeah, two more things. Girl Lactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint. Oh, this is cute packaging. And there's like a little window right there. Ooh, it looks pretty. Posh is the shade name. So this is a matte lip paint. It's $23. One of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. Okay, well, my lipstick is actually pretty much, ooh, I just dug my finger into my cream to powder foundation. My very messed up foundation, thanks to my children. Okay, time out. Okay, now that I cleaned my finger off from foundation, So yeah, all my lipstick is rubbed off because we went to a birthday party and I ate cake and pizza and bad stuff for you. So my lips are kind of dry, so I want to put a lip balm on, but it said don't, so I won't. Alright, so let's try this color out. I'm going to swatch it real quick. Oh, it smells really good. What does this smell like? I don't know. It smells kind of sweet. I like it. I like the smell of this. So it feels very smooth and creamy. So it feels really good. It's already drying. Now my lips are dry because it's wintertime and they were dry before I stuck this on. My lips are kind of cracking a little bit. It's settling into the lines of my mouth. Like I have very wrinkly lips or something. I don't know. It looks real good. Now I didn't do, like, there is the little line for like the inside of my lip that you can see if you look closely. I mean, at a distance, it's fine, it looks good. But when you get up close and personal, yeah, right here where my lips are dry, it says don't use a lip balm beforehand. So I would put a lip balm on, let your lip balm sit for a little bit, and then try and put this on. Because you can see where my lips are dry. I don't want to say it's patchy, but I do kind of see like a slight discoloration where my lips are really dry, which may just be my lips, may not even be the lip paint, but I may try it tomorrow by applying the lip balm, waiting, and then applying this, not immediately lip balm and then this. So, further testing to do on that. And last in here is the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. Dreamer Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. Ooh, so this looks really pretty. It's got a big wide mirror. So, blushing glow, afterglow, mineral glow. So, what's this say? Pure the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. This retails for $34. And On the Go Highlight, Bronzer, and Blush Palette. With 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. Featuring Pure's fan favorite Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade, Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. So that's exciting. I don't have a whole lot of highlights. So this one looks, it's just mesmerizing to look at. It just looks so pretty. It just looks so pretty. And I love the big mirror. Like the mirror is literally like the whole, look at my messed up compact. My kids did that. Anyways. So, like, I almost don't want to touch it. These 3 shades are really, really pigmented and very pretty. And you could even use all 3 of these as eyeshadows. They're just really gorgeous pigments. So that's the last item in my BoxyCharm. So, let's get our calculator. My Mary Kay gold glittery calculator. So we have $38 primer, $24 eyebrow pencil, $25 for an eye palette, $34 for this Bronze and Brighten cheek palette, and $23 for the lip paint. $144, people. And I paid $22 after shipping for this guy. So I got $122 free. That's what I'm talking about. that's exciting. So, I think I'm going to enjoy this box. I'm very excited about this primer. Pore No More Luminizer Primer. And I actually just ran out of my Mary Kay primer this morning. So, perfect timing. Because I think a customer bought my last foundation primer in stock. Now, I will say our Mary Kay primer has SPF in it. It has sunscreen, which is a huge plus for me. But so does my skincare when I do all 3 morning steps. I mean, I can skip the sunscreen set if I want, but the fact that I ran out of primer today and I got more primer is pretty awesome. So I will be using this tomorrow. And now the price points are different, but I may use this primer versus my Mary Kay primer as my Mary Kay versus primers. So anyways, I might do like my Mary Kay primer versus this high-end primer. I'm guessing this is a high-end primer. I've heard Dr. Brandt is like a really good brand. So be sure to look out for that video because I'll probably do that. Now my Mary Kay primer is only $18 and this is $38. So this is $20 more. So I'm gonna have to like really super like this to buy this over my Mary Kay. And technically my Mary Kay, I don't pay $18. Other people might pay $18, but I don't pay $18. So that's it for my BoxyCharm video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that like button if you liked my unboxing. And leave a comment below if you have tried any of these products already and if you like them or if you don't like them. I'm super interested in that. It would mean the world to me if you subscribed. Hit that bell if you would like to be notified when I upload new videos. I do BoxyCharm each month. And then, as I mentioned earlier, I'm doing a series called Mary Kay versus some other brand of the same product. So be sure and subscribe and hit the bell so you'll know when those videos pop up. And again, thank you for watching. It means so much to me that you watched my video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!